Hello everyone, I am Amit and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about an amazing opportunity that has been published by Lovis India. Lovis India is hiring freshers and giving a payback of 19 lakh per annum. So guys, this is an amazing opportunity. In this video, I will be going to tell you how and where to apply for this opportunity, what are the eligible candidates and what are the key skills required to get this job. Without wasting the time, let's get start the video. But before starting the video, I want to tell you, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell, as I daily upload job and internship regarding videos for freshers. So let's start. So guys, uh, eligible candidates for this opportunity is are the students who are going to pass out in 2022 and doing their BE or BTech only. And stream or specialization mentioned here is computer science, information science and technology, and electronics and telecommunication. If you are from information technology or electronics and communication, then also you can apply for this opportunity. And the college, your college should be present inside India only. Now, as I have already told you, the pay scale they are giving is 19 lakh per annum, and experience they are asking is 0 plus experience, means you should be fresher. And they are opening, there is opening of multiple roles. Okay, so now let's talk about the hiring process. So there will be total of two rounds. First round will be on June 12 to June 13, and second round is on June 19 and June 20. June 19 round, the second round is for those candidates who want job in associate software engineer profile, and June 20 second round is for those students who want the job in data analyst field. Now let's talk about the round one first. So round one format is there will be two programming questions on data structures and algorithms and 10 MCQ questions. So I think 10 MCQ question will be on the OOPS concept and the data structures and algorithm. Okay. And the second round for associate software engineer will be on June 19, and this round will consist of two programming questions on data structures and algorithms. And the for second round of data analyst, the round will consist of MCQ on data interpretation. Okay guys, and the job location is going to be for Bangalore, and the opening guys, there is a 70 openings, so 70 students will get this job after successful clearing the round 1 and round 2. So guys, make sure to apply this opportunity before June 12, 12:30 a.m. as this contest is going to be open on June 12. So make sure to apply for this opportunity before June 12. Okay guys, and the duration for the first round is here 2 hour 30 minutes. So you will have 2 hour 30 minutes to solve two coding questions and 10 MCQ on OOPS and data structures. Okay, and job location, as I have told you, Bangalore, and CTC is 19 lakh per annum. Now let's talk about the key responsibilities of the candidate if you got selected for this opportunity. First is assist with translating business requirement and specification into code modules and software solution with guidance from senior colleagues. So basically you need to work with senior colleagues and help them or learn the new technologies. Okay, and you can read all the responsibilities here. I will be going to provide the link for this opportunity in my video description, so make sure to apply before 12th June. Okay, and you can read all the details like core competencies, functional competencies and technical competencies if you want to. Let's now talk about the minimum qualification to get this job opportunity. First, you should have high school diploma or any equivalent degree. Okay, and completion of coursework or program focused on software development or related skills. Basically you should be have either completed your BE BTech, or you should have certificate from any online boot camp if you have not completed BE or BTech yet. Okay, now let's talk about the preferred qualification to get this opportunity. So it is not mandatory, but it is a preferred. So bachelor degree in computer science or related field, 1 year experience in software or related field, 1 year experience working on project involving the implementation of solution applying development life cycles. Okay, and the 1 year of experience in databases, and 1 year of experience in developing and implementing business system with an organization. Okay, so you can read all the preferred qualification and minimum qualification here. I am going to provide the link in my video description, and you can read also about the Lovis here in this section about company. And you can read all the guidelines here, like ensure that you are attempting the test using the correct email ID. You must click submit after you submit each test. If you need assistance during the test, and you can read all the details here. And if you have any question, then you can also ask, also read the question that other candidates have. If you find any queries, then you can message me on LinkedIn page. I have provided the link for my LinkedIn page in the video description. You can follow me there also, because I daily upload 2 to 3 opportunity on my video on my LinkedIn page. Okay, guys. Now let's talk about how and where to apply for this opportunity. So, guys, as I have told you earlier, this opportunity, this hackathon is going to be on Hacker Earth platform. So here I will be providing link in my video description. After clicking that link, you will be redirected to the page that looks like this. Here you will see a button called register. So you simply need to click this button and register to the this event. You can also invite your friends. If you have, if your friend want a software job, then you can invite them using this button here, log into invite friends. So that's it, guys. This video, this is a great opportunity for fresher, as they are giving on 19 lakh per annum, and there is a total of 70 vacancies. So that is a pretty decent salary, plus pretty decent job vacancies. Okay, guys. So make sure to apply before June 12th. Okay. So that's it, guys, for this video. If you find this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel, as I daily upload job and internship regarding for freshers. So see you guys in the next one. Thank you, guys.